I recently had a taste of my very own medicine. Now, after over 1,000 homes, it's finally my turn to declutter. So without further ado, let's tour my house and see how I tied everything together. So we're sheltering in place, and shelter means home. It's time to do some spring cleaning.
Yes, I feel so nice. Yes, I feel so right. I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why. Yes, I feel so nice. Yes, I feel so right. I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why.
There are so many challenges with my living room. One, you got the fireplace wall. Obviously, I would want to mount the TV on the fireplace, but for right now, it's impossible because it has bricks sticking out as ledges. You can use it to decorate things on, but you cannot mount a TV on this brick wall because of the ledges protruding. So you see, we would have to get rid of this ledge in order to mount a flat screen back here. So that is doable, but that's not in our plans just yet because we would like to remodel this and give this a whole new veneer. While I love my big window, it was actually very challenging because it goes really low. It goes to only about 2 feet high from the ground. So therefore I had to find a couch or a sectional that was high enough to be comfortable but low enough to be under the window as much as possible. This chair here is blocking the entrance to the room. All of these are going to donation. This bench is going away. I hate this railing. Looks like a lot of goodies got dropped off by my crew. If I were to put the rug straight, it will cut off the room. I have a lot more work behind me. More unboxing, gonna change out those lamps. Polyester fill.
Downfill, polyester fill. Downfill, polyester fill.
Which one do you like the most? Comment down below.
You got the message? All right. lot better. What I do like about these two ottomans is you can actually sit on them, so it provides additional seating when someone comes. But one doesn't look right, it's not to scale with the sectional, but two looks too full. So I'm gonna try it with this coffee table. Better. So, yeah, and it was hiding all of this. One of the last installations in this room is this cowhide. I want to continue it with this corner here of this other cowhide rug, and the odd shape of this will actually blend in with the room instead of like defining it with lines, with straight lines like a regular rug would. I usually don't like the rear of the cowhide facing people as they're walking in, so I always have the head pointed towards whomever is going to be entering the room. The last thing in this room is this area. I just realized this could make a very good backdrop for the shoe bench because I can hide this ugly thing. This is looking fantastic. I love those two. This is where we store our shoes. That way the door area is not congested. So I'm going to put a side table there so we can drop our keys off. Looking awesome. This is the stairs, and I was thinking of putting this up. I think I like it. I'm gonna give that a try. I think we did it. We are done with the living room. I love these little cute lamps. Super fun. And I like that I can hide the lamps in here. Easy access. I cleaned up the cable. I tied them up. Oh, I forgot one thing. My Buddhas. All right. Well, at least my white Buddha blends in, but the other one, his head is sticking up. I think I'm just gonna clear all of that. This cabinet we salvaged. It was my husband's down in LA. He did not want to get rid of it. It was a very dark and dominant piece amongst all my white furniture. So because this is such a dominant piece and the black TV as well, I had to bring in dark items like the lamps and the vase, so just to kind of balance it off a little bit. So what do you guys think? I would love to hear your thoughts. Comment down below and let me know how you liked it, how you didn't like it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'm so excited about this space and my family hasn't seen it yet. I think I like that. Perfect spot for him. So I realized I don't like something. Got a plant here and a plant here. So what I'm gonna do is swap these two. I love that this is clear because it doesn't look like there's really any furniture. Thank God.